Bail was sought mainly on the grounds that petitioner was only named in the FIR. There was no proof of receiving any payment by him for the purpose of sending him intending immigrant Italy via Libya. Petitioner was subjected to victimization by FIA officers for the purpose of blackmailing and minting the money. Moreover, offences under sections 17/22 of Immigration Ordinance 1979 were entailing the penalty only of fine. In alternate, as such, would not be hit by embargo contained under section 497 CRPC. In such like cases, rule was bail, whereas its refusal would be an exception, which was lacking in the present case. Full stop. Learned Assistant Prosecutor General, appearing on behalf of FIA, assisted by Learned Counsel for Muhammad Bhutta, father of intending immigrant, opposed present petition on variety of grounds. Full stop. New paragraph. They added that he intending immigrant was sitting in the boat proceeding from Libya to Italy, which was capsized, resulting into the death of various persons, and he also met his death in the above in accident, and his dead body could not be found. So far, petitioner and co-accused happened to be brother-in-law inter se and working like a gang. Therefore, petitioner was not entitled to any relief. Full stop. Petitioner was under the allegation that he received rupees 2400,000 from one Hamad Ali from sending him Italy while traveling on a boat going from Libya to Italy sank as a result of capsizing of the boat and met his death along with 79 others. Full stop. Material in the form of statement of father of above Hamad Ali and others witnesses under section 161 of CRPC was floated on the surface, which sought endorsement, corroboration and confirmation from the material collected during the investigation. Full stop. New paragraph. Petitioner and his companions, being human smugglers, sent Hamad Ali to Libya for further transportation his physique to Italy, but he met his death in the incident of boat capsizing within the territorial water of Greece. Full stop. Death of said intending immigrant endorsed and verified during the investigation, but dead body of Hamad Ali could not be found. So far. Full stop. Muhammad Bhutta, father of intended immigrant, was such like having no reason to falsely involve the petitioner in such like heinous crime. Full stop. Prima facie involved of petitioner in the present case stood established by surrounding circumstances speaking against him with proud of strength. Full stop. In the case in hand, intending immigrant met his death due to the capsizing of boat into the water, and his dead body could not be found. Full stop.